Kakunhun Joint Action Committee Border of Meghalaya kabala jutip lengkot kum ka JACBOM kabala lam khmat duba Erwin Case im Sutanga kum chairman haka khanriu tarik ujemang R1000 R4R kala lek hiar shakashnong Malangkona West Khasi Hills District kabadon hakaput baga jilla Assam banyakendu iki nongsong snong jongkate kathain da kabala penlong ye ka jingelang pajba banyakran halor ka memorandum of understanding lani ka MoU ka baki Menteri Rangba ka jilla Meghalaya bat Assam kiladep bansoi kani ka jingi kendu iki nong song snong kate kathain ka deiru na ka banta ban LUM ban langru iki kot kisla jongki JAKA ki puta jongki nong song snong ka ban longru kum ka jing pensisha ba kate ka JAKA kadang ha pura sa ka jilla Meghalaya bat kate ka jing LUM iki kot kisla JAKA ka deiru na ka banta ban penkhre ban yakhun persha e kate ka MoU sha ka Supreme Court hakate ke jingelang lawan ban yeshim banta bat ban kersan lang daki kunhun sang bhalang bapher ke bakenthop ye ka MPSO HANM Motion Road Circle ka JSU ka FKJGP lambat kiwi ki kunhun sang bhalang ki banakaleng ka Garo Hills kumju ban nari khasi ki riurang ba lambat ki paiba nongsong snong kumju ki ba marjan bakate ke snong
Karai ka kala Shahin marpalai nagaliang ba prastun tosong ubu ya kacalan. Ong ai kimat lai sakut te ngila ya keren keleng sodong ni ong LUM ki kot kisla tentang si belai gini baik. Ini kot kisla gila pembiang na gede area. Dan tarai ki kot kimde ki dia. Haga jo kapor kadon ka historical claim ko ni ba Haji SHA ka Meghalaya government ba ka Assam government kila ya menjur ki historical santali gimat historical perspective administrative convenience geographical contiguity willingness of the people batkanika ethnicity dan rengi lapa andala kali la pertau iki klembat iki bana kali yang ka Assam ro mata ka singi la ayo na nang ni ngayo ya kanika kanut jong ka Assam yo ya kanika kanut jong ka Assam to ka ambil mau kani kadim di kanut ketika presentation jong Assam ka bakila saya kerar ba kikran history ambil mau kikran history ngadan sio e kani ampada yo study ba tambah kai ke bangayo pen kalau ba nakalian ka Assam ka base by ka 2011 they're basing it on 2011 which in fact during the Mukul Sama government this negotiation made between the Mukul Sama government and the government of Assam at that time. In fact, ultimately, they also understood that there was no basis. Rip. Takadaw ki back out now. Now the Conrad Sama government has, without questioning the 2011, as you can see, this is Assam's document. No, it's not Meghalaya's document. This is Assam's official document. They have based it. I'll show you here. Give me a second. Kenapa ya kani area mo? Based on 2011 claim. Now that 2011 claim, I really feel, but katkum ka an kam dan basis kata 2011 claim. The claim that has to be investigated, that has to be decided upon is 1876. But this area nang ni kumni kani area parok ni nanong lang hima nongwa hima Malim transfer kini area only for administrative convenience. Mentau Assam mula poi hang ni area kajungi kadon hang ni Assam mula poi hang ni mentapi ong pada give and take. Ni give ya kaju ka JAKA, we are giving our own place, we are taking our own place. So that whatever they are deciding, that 18 point something square kilometer, which they have decided, that 34 square kilometer which they have decided, that is all Meghalaya. Nothing more than that. The naman kata kadaw ni happen let's school. Sebenarnya pilai yang tu begini ki paiba nang ni ai ka san ka. Bagi let's school ko, mana mesti ngalang ya keren bagi perlu tidak saya jadi dikira orang yang wanita itu Islam. Padahal bagian ini tentang wanita ikut Islam, ini baik di notification yang terus, ini baik di maps kemarin. Islam apa? Baik kalau punya deh. Kakis ni hap optin ni mesti orang. Kata ketika itu keputusan. Kebar kan lain bah ni dia banyo ikan dulu direction dari central government nomor boleh. Ang ni kaji kali jong ke article 263 tu ada. The question of article 263 is there where an interstate council has to be set up. You cannot do it like this. This is not the correct way. Nomor boleh no asam ni labu as time frame baik. Ubus ke time frame. Kai kata time frame. Ubus ke time frame ke bandong ba? Kin kani kadang kani ke time frame ke jangki. Time frame kong. Kadang ke time frame ko bukilabu bakidon ka mampendap sensitive sensitive key stakeholders including Home Ministry, Government of India, sensitized key stakeholders including Home Ministry, Government of India about final recommendation 1 month. So, menta ki ong bagi di stakeholder. Right. What about the local stakeholders? Second, approval by both government and their legislature. 3 months. They will place it before the legislature. Now, apart from that, demarcation of boundaries and fixation of permanent pillar by the Survey of India, this is 6 months. Approval by Parliament for constitutional amendment 1 year. This time frame has been set by Assam. Therefore, we have to stop this. If we can stop this first, ada ngilak persengai kan ni cuba. Kata ro kadika kajing job ke ba. Ahmad nomor beli ba. Ultimately, hidup kita ki ba bon ki balang kita bersutu, but this is a political issue. It has to be decided by the government of India. It has to be decided by an interstate council. Because of that, it is required that these things should be properly done under the constitution. Ladam le hi kata ka nanti ko biang kum tu kami ka jing bombun, kami ka jing sosi, kami ka jing so SHA le ben. Ultimately, the people who are the final custodian of democracy in India, they will have to make their voices felt.